Hello everyone, welcome back to Stoic Wisdom Today. Gratitude is everywhere these days. From journals to podcasts to Instagram captions, everyone talks about being grateful. But the Stoics had a radical take on gratitude, one that might shock you at first. They didn't tell you to simply be thankful. They asked you to imagine losing everything you love. Today, we'll explore a powerful practice called negative visualization, one of the deepest, most transformative tools in Stoicism. It may sound dark, but when understood correctly, it opens the door to joy, resilience, and a life lived with fierce presence. Let's begin. 1. What is negative visualization? In Latin, this practice is known as premeditatio malorum, the premeditation of evils. It means visualize losing what you cherish before it happens. Your home, your health, your freedom. Even the people you love most, not because you want tragedy, but because you want to wake up to the fragility and value of what you have. Seneca wrote, "He robs present ills of their power who has rehearsed their coming in advance." Marcus Aurelius reminded himself daily, you could leave life right now. Let that determine what you do, say, and think. This is not pessimism. It's preparedness. It's awareness. It's the ultimate call to live deeply while you still can. 2. Why this works: psychology meets philosophy. Modern psychology confirms what the Stoics knew centuries ago. When you imagine losing something, not endlessly but intentionally, two powerful things happen. Your gratitude becomes real. Instead of taking life for granted, you cherish it. That coffee tastes better. That hug feels deeper. That breath feels sacred. Your fear of loss decreases. By mentally rehearsing hardship, you reduce its power. You become mentally anti-fragile, prepared, calm, ready. It's like training in the rain so you're not shaken in the storm. Epictetus said, "When you kiss your child, say to yourself, tomorrow they may die." It's harsh, but he meant, don't possess people. Appreciate them. This mindset doesn't create sadness, it creates urgency to love. How to practice negative visualization step by step. Let's make it practical. You don't need hours, just a few minutes a day, but done with depth. Step 1. Choose a moment of quiet. Mornings or evenings are ideal. No phone, just you and your thoughts. Step 2. Bring something or someone to mind. Your partner, your home, your job, your body, anything you value deeply. Step 3. Visualize losing it, briefly but vividly. Imagine that person no longer beside you. Imagine that home gone, that ability no longer yours. Let it hurt a little. Step 4. Come back. Open your eyes, look at it again. And now see it for what it is. A gift, a temporary, precious, fleeting gift. Smile, say thank you, and move forward, fully awake. Optional, write it down. Stoics often journaled these thoughts. You can too. Today I imagine losing my voice, and now as I speak, I feel the miracle in every word. When to use this in daily life? Negative visualization isn't just a quiet practice. It's a mindset you can activate anytime. Stuck in traffic? Visualize losing the ability to drive. Suddenly you're grateful for the wait. Annoyed at your partner? Visualize them not being there. Love softens, ego melts. Tired of your job? Imagine it gone. Now you work with renewed presence or the courage to change. This is spiritual contrast. It reframes the ordinary as extraordinary. Why this makes you stronger, not softer. Some people fear this practice makes you morbid or weak, but in truth it does the opposite. It builds mental armor. If you lose something, you're ready. If you don't, you're grateful. Either way, you win. You don't cling, you don't panic. You simply live fully, presently, fiercely. This is not about fearing death, it's about fearing a life unlived. Seneca said, "Let us prepare our minds as if we'd come to the very end. Let us postpone nothing. Let us balance life's books every day." Final thoughts. The power of loss without the pain. Negative visualization teaches us to die before we die, so we can truly live before it's too late. It pulls you out of numbness. It crushes entitlement. It reveals beauty in the ordinary. So tonight, try it. Sit. Picture losing something. Then look at it again. Feel the tears, feel the smile. That's life, raw, honest, sacred. Conclusion: the Stoic way to appreciate everything. To the untrained mind, negative visualization feels extreme, but to the Stoic mind, it's clarity, it's truth. It's the only way to fully love what we're destined to lose, and we will lose everything one day, but not yet, not this moment. And so we breathe it in fully and we say thank you deeply. Thank you for watching Stoic Wisdom today. If this video opened your eyes or your heart, share it, tag someone you love. Practice this together. And as always, stay grounded, stay wise, and stay stoic.